Down you go, my boy. What are you doing? Oh my god, the whole house is...
Oh my god.
How am I going to explain this to your mother?
We're back to Who's Your Daddy?
I still don't know who's my daddy.
It would be Uncle Funtime, I believe.
Uncle Funtime? Wait, I'm Funtime.
Do you think you were the first Funtime? There was a Funtime before you. But there's something new with this game, though.
I know. I think I'm in it. Dad?
Right here.
What is this place? Is that blood in a...
Oh, that's ketchup.
Looks like you're peeing out blood there for a moment.
What?
Can I take a bath? Why is this so hard?
You need a bath, you stinky baby.
No. Wait, what? What do you mean?
Wait, what?
What are you gonna do to me? You can't make me go in there. Ah! Wait! What are you doing?
Oh god!
Dad! We have a pool now.
So wait, so if you close the drain, it floods the entire house. You're not even hurting yourself, you know that, right?
This is great. I'm a mermaid. You drowned me. I turned into Thanos, baby. Oh my god, yes. Get me out of there. No, I miss this house. I really do.
I don't.
Oh, I do. Look. Hello there, little guy. You're coming with me. I will call you Ratatouille. Come with me, Ratatouille. We are going places.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Dad, I'm driving. Me and Ratatouille are going to France. Do you just plunger?
I can.
How do I get out?
Oh, gee!
Oh my!
Oh,
It's so powerful.
if you give Mjolnir Thor's hammer, the power of the plunger.
Am I worthy? Can I pick it up? Grab. Oh, I am worthy. Oh.
No, you are not.
Ew. It has an ugly sound. I don't like it. Oh. You dare?
Ow!
Mwahaha!
You know what? Fine. Be right back.
Oh my god.
What?
That plunger is ridiculous.
What did it do?
It's just... That plunger is great. I love it. Oh my god!
I'm gonna go get milk. I'll be back later.
Wait. No, you're not. You're leaving me. Daddy! Wait. You can't leave if I pop the tires. Can I pump the tires? Oh, man. Dad, don't leave me. I promise to be a good boy.
Do you promise? I'm coming home.
I can't even open these anymore.
I can't even get out of the car, actually.
This is your doing. You left me to go get milk.
I can't get out. Why can't I get out?
Yeah. Watch me burn, Dad. Watch me burn. Don't honk at me. Dad, take me to the ice cream store.
Fine, just get in the car then.
I am in the car. I'm in the bath. I want ice cream.
Can you get out of the car?
I can.
Oh, there we go.
Ah! There's a car on me!
Did the car just blow up on you? How did you get the car? Florida blow up?
I ran into our white picket fence. That was beautiful.
All right, we're switching. I'm the baby now. Wah, wah,
Wah,
wah.
wah. Ah. Get in there. Get in there. Can I unclog the toilet? Hop in there, my boy.
I can't even. I can't make it.
Let me drop it for you. There you go. Oh, come on, my boy. This is when you become a man.
No, I'm like floating on it.
Huh. I see the problem. There. Try to do it from there. Son, just get in the toilet. There we go. Nice. Down you go, my boy. Down you go. Ah! Haha! Just kidding. Oh, wait, what? You want your rubber ducky?
Yes, put me in the tub. Put me in the tub.
Oh my god, this duck is bouncy.
Help me. Grab the thing and put it in front of the tub.
Hi, my boy. Oh, when your mother's not here, I have to bathe you, huh? Can you not get it? There you go. Try that out.
Oh, there we go.
Yes! Nice! Yeah. Alright, son, we gotta use the soap. Gotta feed you with the soap. Alright, and then we gotta use shampoo on you. Wait, how do I put it in? Oh, I gotta drink it first to make sure. Oh! What's exploding?
I think all the electrical devices outside. By the way, I'm drowning.
Oh my god, the whole house is... Have you come out yet? Look! Oh, well. I can't stop it.
You have to pull the plug on the tub. I'm gonna open the back door.
Uh-huh.
And now try flooding it.
Wait, you go flood the whole world?
We're gonna see if we can. Oh.
Just gotta make sure.
Did you feed a camera into my head?
I did not. I have placed the camera on your head. Butter toast.
Wait, you can stand as the baby.
Wait, you can what? Why are you standing?
I'm more advanced than you.
First steps. Can you walk for daddy? That is terrifying. You are a skeleton baby walking with a GoPro on your head.
With
a sombrero. Wait, hold on. What's this? Wait, whoa. Look at that. Look.
Wonder where this leads.
I saw my son vent.
He's sus.
What's in there?
Oh, it leads to the kitchen.
Does it now? All right. Back door is open. It's going into...
Oh, it's not flooding.
So if any of the exit doors open... Oh, even the laundry room? What about the garage? Oh, the garage. Wait, wait, where are the keys for the car?
It's in the back near the wood chipper.
Let me see. Ah, there it is. Okay. Son, we're gonna make a submarine. Get to the car.
Oh, God.
We're going on a trip in our magic car submarine. Get this stuff out of here. Alright, gotta put the keys in. Alright. Son, are you in the car?
Yeah, I'm in the back seat.
Okay. The water splash is so loud.
Just close the back door.
Is it flooding?
It flooded. And somehow I'm still alive in here. Oh my god. You're
Son, how you
driving on
doing?
the roof.
This is not. Oh, I'm dying in here.
I'm perfectly fine back here somehow.
Oh. This is not okay. Oh my god. Who knew? This is the new Tesla.
The submarine. Alright.
I'm dead. How are you doing back there, son?
Not gonna lie. Oh god, I got out.
I can't get out. Are you dying? Wait. How did you do that?
Open the garage door.
How am I going to explain this to your mother? How?
How your baby saved your life?
Oh, that or how is
You know
the
what?
car like this?
Fine. You know what? You don't want the baby to say. Okay. Fine. I'm gonna die.
Wait, no, son. You can't die. You can't leave me like this. My boy. Son. Well, Daddy will take you on a trip.
Oh, I think we broke the oven.
I think I broke the car. I can't get out of it.
Oh no.
And the car is stuck sideways.
You know, I think I know how to kill myself.
Wait, how? Wait, what is that? What are you doing?
I'm gonna refloat the house.
Oh my god. No, son! We said no more submarines! My boy! Wait, it's only halfway? Wait, what?
Darn it!
I won? Wait, how did I win? Wait, what?
I didn't kill myself fast enough.
You could have done anything. I couldn't get out
I
of
tried
the car.
to. No. I spent so much time trying to kill myself in the broken oven. The oven was broken because of the flood.
Oh my god, maybe I should flood the house so you can't burn yourself. New strats for when we play against Mr. Pepper. Flood the house, and then he can't kill himself with anything.
Alright guys, we're gonna be calling it right there. I think I have to go get the water out of my ears.
What? I hear the ocean in my head right now. I can't hear you. Wait.
Your head is empty as the vast ocean. You are correct.
I hear a seagull in there. My? No, mine! My? Freddy, there's a seagull in my head saying my.
Alright, buddy. Why don't you go lay down?
Okay.
We'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe. Bye.
Bye, guys.